Karen Russell.
Robert R. Lewis.
John Kendrick.
Linda Bear.
Tracy Sweely.
I am the president of Keystone North Incorporated. I kind of oversee the whole operation. I'd be more responsible for the bigger picture of the corporation. In 1980, I started working in the business, and we always, I think, tried to keep our focus on keeping people employed in the community and provide family-sustaining wages to people, and we worked real hard to do that.
It's very welcoming. Everybody works together. It's not pulling apart.
My job is awesome because I make bearings for the industry. I really enjoy the work, and I love just being here and the people around me. I like it.
I run plasma and do other stuff. Been here about 7 years. It's a good place to work. Different. Every day something new. I like the plasma because you can draw stuff. It's always something new you're making, cutting different shapes, thicknesses.
Director of Operations. I've been here for 20 years. You do different things every day. It's exciting to build things, to know how they work together. Manufacturing is very important to the public. If we didn't have manufacturing, we wouldn't have vehicles, we wouldn't have homes, we wouldn't have stores, so manufacturing is very important.
I'm the machine shop supervisor, program CNC, run the tool room. I've been doing that a little over 20 years. I had a few days training, and most of it I've been doing on my own.
My job is awesome because this is a family atmosphere. You enjoy getting up every morning and going to work. It's not a chore to do.
It's a good place to work.
It's different every day, and I work with a great bunch of people.